Hello friends, in this video let's take a complex problem on finding a missing term in a series. So if we take these numbers 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16 and analyze these numbers, if we look at this as a single series, we will see that they do not follow any specific pattern. Let's look at it as an alternate series with two series sequence. So if we take 2, 4, 6, 9 and 16, this 9 and 16 do not find a pattern. Similarly 3, 4, 8, 12, that also does not have a single pattern. Now let's split this into a 3 series. So let's write 2, 4 and 9 as the first series. The second one is going to be 3, 6, 12. The third one is going to be 4, 8, 16. 4, 8, 16. Now, if we look at these patterns, 3 into 2 equals 6. 6 into 2 gives us 12. Similarly, 4 into 2 equals 8. 8 into 2 gives 16. Now, 2 into 2 is 4. Technically, 4 into 2 should have been 8. So, this number should have been replaced with 8. So, the incorrect term in this sequence is 9 and that should have been replaced with 8. So if you encounter series like this where you find repetitive numbers as well as not following a specific pattern, try to look at it from a different angle of splitting them into multiple series and solving the problem. You will get the solution. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to us for more such problems.